back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you guys the parts of the ukulele. First, headstock. The main function of a headstock is to house the pegs on mechanism that holds the strings at the head of the instrument. Next is tuners. To identify the notes of the ukulele open strings. Next, knot. The knot keeps the ukulele strings in the correct positions over the fretboard. Next, frets. These metals. Frets make it much easier for a player to achieve an acceptable off-key notation. Next, fretboard. First fret, second fret, third fret, fretboard. To create a note or chord when playing the ukulele. Next is neck. The neck of the ukulele connects the body to the headstock and holds the fretboard on top of it. Next, sound hole. Sound hole, located on the body of the ukulele just underneath the strings. The sound hole projects the sound that reverberates inside the body of the ukulele. Next, strings. Strings. We can play ukulele if we don't have strings. Next, saddle. The saddle sits on the top of the bridge and holds the strings in place at the body of the ukulele. Next, bridge. The bridge is mounted on the top of the body of the ukulele, just below the sound hole, and holds the saddle. The bridge is where you can secure the strings at the body of the ukulele. And next is body. The body of the ukulele is important as it amplifies the sound of the vibrating strings, such as much of the tone of the ukulele. I hope you guys had fun with the lesson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye! See you soon, guys! I hope you guys have learned. I hope you guys had fun with the lesson, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and what to do? Don't forget to hit the like.